Today we're doing a restaurant review at KFC, located on Highway 2427 near Albemarle, North Carolina. I don't think we're quite in the city limits of Albemarle yet. It's gonna be me, my buddy Troy. We're actually going to Albemarle to an event up here with his creeper truck. I'll show you more about that in a few minutes. But let's go in here and see what this KFC is like. So far, pretty clean restaurant. I've already ordered a 3-piece original recipe thigh meal with biscuit, mashed potatoes and gravy, and macaroni and cheese. I don't know what Troy's ordering, but he got some kind of big box deal. But it's pretty clean in here. People are pretty nice, so we'll see what it's like in a few. All right, we got our food, and we're gonna go tailgate on the back of the pickup truck out here.
With the creeper truck.
With the creeper truck. So, why am I being so vague? I'm not. I just didn't want to go into a lot before I went into the restaurant. But we're on our way to an event. This event the town's having in Albemarle, and it is like a Halloween event. And they're supposed to be having a 5K race. And my buddy Troy is going to be leading the 5K race in this truck. Not the white truck, that truck. If you ever seen the movie Jeepers Creepers, he owns the screen used truck. So we're going to be out here tailgating on the back of the white Dodge here. And we're going to be doing some tasting on the food and doing a review on it in just a few minutes. So y'all don't go nowhere. This ought to be interesting.
I don't need it.
All right, this is mine. 3-piece thigh, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes and gravy. Troy got 3-piece extra crispy biscuit, mashed potatoes. I think he's supposed to get mac and cheese. He got slaw.
It's all good. I don't need to eat so much anyways.
He said he's good with that. So we're gonna get started eating on this, and we'll be back. Yeah, we eating innards and stuff. I don't know what the creeper eats, but we eating innards. Troy chowing down. He said his'n pretty good so far. Mine's pretty good too so far.
Like mustard and biscuits.
Ain't got no mustard. That's biscuits. All right, I'm gonna give you a little rundown on the truck that we're talking about. This is the screen used Jeepers Creepers truck. And this belongs to Troy, who's over there still chowing down. And he's actually taking this truck to an event today in the town or city of Albemarle. I don't know if it's a town or a city, but basically we're in Albemarle now. That's where the KFC is, off of 2427 here. And this truck is gonna be at the event this weekend. It's gonna be leading a 5K race. It's going to be on display there. Troy will be there in his costume, his Jeepers Creepers full costume. He'll be doing some stuff, signing tags, selling tags, just basically talking to people about the truck. Tonight, they're supposed to have a movie somewhere in Albemarle, and it's going to be Jeepers Creepers, and he's going to be there talking about the truck and the parts of the movie that it was involved in. This truck and 2 more were involved in the movie, and he's going to tell which parts this movie truck was in. So this truck actually runs. Like I say, he's going to be leading a 5K race in it in just a little bit, and we're going to get busy in a few. So glad y'all could stay with us. A little bit different food type review, but hope you enjoyed it. I say we had a 10. What do you say, Troy? Was it a 10 today?
I'll give it a 10.
He says 10 too. So I think we both were pretty happy with the service today. So if you ever up here at KFC in Albemarle, might want to stop in and give them a try. They were really, really nice people. Pleasant to deal with, and couldn't ask for no better service. The food was hot, fresh, and we both enjoyed it. So till next time, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.